Woke up Monday morning, rubbed my eyes. Answering machine message, surprise. Baby said she's going far away, like we said we wanted to someday. Catch her on the morning train. I just woke up without a brain, running just as fast as you can, without a plan. Didn't think the day would be so soon. Slept through her phone call like a buffoon. Now I'm wearing slippers running fast through the crowded city overcast. Finally had her fill of this town. Then I heard the train whistle sound. Coming up on her platform, getting warm. Finally we got her, so I thought to the place where we would belong. But when in the end we move again, it's and I realize I'm wrong. Conductor man, he shouted all aboard. Ticket in my hand, I'm running toward train that's leaving with the girl that's mine. Maybe I'll pick up the phone next time. Train pulls out and leaves me there, and all I can do is stare at the train that holds the girl of my dreams, or so it seems. Woke up in my bed, I found the alarm clock had a train whistle sound. I roll over, turn it off to see she's next to me. Thanks, everybody. Thank you. Let's see, what am I going to do? Oh yeah, well, yeah, that's fine. Let's do that. Let's try that. No, I think I'll be okay for this one at least.